Have you noticed that every AI tutorials talks about LangChain? Whether it's RAG, AI agents, or chatbots, LangChain seems to be everywhere. But what exactly it is? It is an AI model like ChatGPT or Llama, or it is something else. In this video, I'll explain LangChain in the simplest way possible. So even if you are a complete beginner, you will understand it. Hi everyone, I'm Mukul Malhotra and welcome back to the channel. Today we will understand what LangChain is, why we need it, and where it fits in AI application development. Let's say you have an LLM like Llama running with Ollama. You ask the ChatGPT that explain Docker. The model gives you an answer. That's simple, right? But now you ask ChatGPT that read my PDF, search the internet, remember our previous conversation, and query a database. Can the LLM do these things by itself? No, right? So an LLM can generate text, but it does not automatically know how to access files, databases, APIs, or external tools. So now what is LangChain? This is where LangChain comes in. And LangChain is not an AI model. It's a framework that helps developers connect an LLM with other components like documents, memory, databases, APIs, tools, and vector databases. Think of LangChain as the bridge between your AI model and the outside world. So imagine you are building a house and you have bricks, cements, windows, and doors. Having all these materials does not automatically create a house, right? So someone has to connect everything together. Similarly, the LLM is one component. Your PDF, databases, and tools are other components. The LangChain connects them to build a complete AI application. So remember these 3 points. LangChain is not an LLM. LangChain is a framework. It helps connect LLM with prompts, documents, memory, tools, APIs, and databases to build real AI application. So we can relate LLM with a brain, which generates text, and LangChain with a framework, which coordinates or helps to connect an LLM. So if you see the whiteboard, where without any framework, the flow looks like where the user writes the Python code, the Python libraries interact with LLM models, and then it gives the response. Where if you see the LangChain framework, where the user writes the prompt, and then the prompts connects with LLM, and it basically connects with every component like PDF, database, memory, search, APIs, and tools. So that is all individually a component. So in the next video, we'll install LangChain and build our first AI application using Python and Ollama step by step. And if you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and keep learning.